Okay, here's an interesting thing about saving a DXF file from Fusion 360 that was brought to my attention by a customer. So I've got this little thing that I've drawn here. If we measure this in here, that edge is supposed to be 2 inches, 2 inches, and we've got a 1-inch diameter circle there. And we are in inch mode. Let me save this first. If I use this option up here to export this as a DXF file, sure, that's all good, export. And if I open that up in AutoCAD, and we do our dimension 5.08 and 2.54. So when you use that export option from the top left hand corner, basically scales it by 2.54 inch to centimeter conversion. Now what's interesting is, rather than using that to export your DXF file, if instead over here you expand this tree, we right click on this and use this option, save as DXF. And we open this one. Lo and behold, that's 2 inches and that's 1 inch as it is supposed to be. So rather than using that export option from the top left, you might find it more useful to expand this and just right click and use that, and then that'll save you any sort of conversion later. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks.